Alright guys and girls, welcome back. So let me just flip you around a set. We're just outside at the moment. Absolutely, I don't know, I've got to go any other way around. It is today, Sunday. We're actually at McDonald's right now. Just right there. Just saying hello to everybody there. Hello everybody. We've got Argos there, they're closed now. It's around about, actually what time was it? 9:53. McDonald's usually closes around about 11, I think, something like that tonight. So we are, it's just, hang on, I'll go around the wrong way here in a minute. Just tell you right a set. Oh, hang on. See if I got it around the right way a set. So, I'm just actually trying to get used to this gimbal. So I'll just go around here. There we go. And back to me. So I'm using the gimbal at the moment. This is the new one. So basically, every time I'm moving around, it should just keep it in to place. So I just got a couple burgers for my brother, and a couple burgers for my mum, and I've just got 2 Veggie Deli Wraps, the vegan ones. The spicy veggie wraps, so they're pretty nice and all that. But I'll tell you what, absolutely flipping cold today. It is actually, I think, the 27th. Let's go around here, so I'll tell you what day it is today. Let's have a look. It is Sunday, the 27th of October, 2019. Very dead on the road today, actually. There's not hardly anybody on there. As you can see as well, I've actually got, so you guys and girls can see, there we go, it's my McDonald's. I'm going to be taking it home now, should be right. There's my bicycle I'm using at the moment. This is the one that's got the battery attached to it. So a nice battery, and yeah, it's kind of, you can see it's been used, the bike, because the amount of mud I've got all over. I should use some mud guards and all that. I've got one of these like little sort of cable ties there, so that's just doing that. And then basically got my little light here, so I'll put that on now. I'm going to put my thing on here as well. Actually, you should see it should be on 0. Let's put the light down a little bit. I don't need it that much, but as you can see, it's pretty cool. Nice little nifty bike. I've got a couple of gadgets on there. I've got a mobile phone thing to attach my mobile phone onto. I've got a little thing there for my gimbal. Not gimbal, but for the GoPro 7 if I need it on there. Then I've got my light on there. And then actually I better put my back light on. There we go. It's my back light. So it's pretty good. So I'm all pretty much set it up. This battery here actually lasts me for some good time. Good usage out of it. I've done roughly almost 1,000 miles on this bicycle so far, so I've got my money's worth already out of it. I've done about, I'd say, 700 to 850 miles on there so far. So yeah, it's not too bad. Saddle was a little bit hard at first when I got used to it, but I'm used to it now, so it's more me just sort of getting used to the saddle even more. Actually, what it does when you sit on it for so long, your backside will actually adjust to the comfort and stuff, so it basically numbs it into the area, so it just fits the right size of it. But anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching and stay safe all.